Hello everybody, I'm PDZ Animator, and today we are going to be playing The Wolf Online Simulator. So basically what you do in this game is you play as a wolf and you do a bunch of cool wolf things. So yeah, I'm excited to play this one. I've had it like in my game thing for a while and just like, just sit there, I'm like, I want to play it but I can't. I already played one game and now I'm, But yeah, so let's go ahead and dive in. Look at my shiny wolf. What does this do? What's that? Okay, those are skills. Scoreboard. Well then, I'm 7th. Let's go. Oh, I want to look at the wolf. Look at me. I'm a cute little wolf. Look at me. Okay, come on. Whoa, that's so cute. Woohoo. I don't know where I'm going. Heck yeah. Wait, where's that map? Huh, what are those green things? Let's go check them out. What's that? That does nothing. Okay, so let's go. I want to go see what those green things are. There's so many of them. Okay, so that's my attack button. Okay, there's one right. Are those guys closer? Or are those? Wait, what's that? What's that? There's another thing that way. Let's go check it out. They're deer. Hello, deer. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, bye! Okay, run. Okay, that was an experience. Those deer, like, they gave me no chance. I'm like, I thought they'd just run. Nope. They heckin' went straight for me. I'm like, oh crap! They're fighting back. Goodbye! That's it, deer. Yeah, I see you there. I'm coming for you. Oh, there's another wolf. Of course they come after I die. Let's go. Wait, guys, I'm coming. Bark. Bro, you best back up. I've had enough of your crap. You killed me once. Ooh, double claw, that's cool. I'll unlock that. Yay. Okay, this was cool. And then all the wolf buddies came after. Was that a duck? Oh, no, that was a fox. Okay. Hi, other wolves. What the? Help! I don't know what I'm going for. Wait, what's that? Attributes. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's see. That is health. Let's go ahead and get more health. Some more attack. Oh, I don't have any more. Yay. Die! I will eat you up! Oh, they sound so cute. I'm getting... They're so cute! I'm sorry I have to eat you for experience. Dang, they're like level 9, level 7. They need to calm down. Give me a chance. Wow, though. Oh, crap! Okay, bye! Peace to the heckin' out. Bye! Hey there! Hey, you! What the double claw? You will pay for what you've done! You guys didn't do anything, by the way. I just want to kill you. Because, you know, I'm hungry. I am a wolf on the prowl. Rawr. Bark. Bork. Super wolf claw. Got this. Let's do this, wolves. Oh, this game is so cool. It feels like a real MMO. Just kind of like how it plays, and it... Okay, now it's being kind of laggy, thank you. But yeah, like, it plays really well as I'm about to start. Let's actually upgrade our skills before we do anything. So let's do defense. 1 point of defense. Some speed. Then let's do health. Okay. So it plays really well. So wait, the foxes run away from us? Hold on, what? What? Come back here. There we go. Dang. You had no hope, sir. Sorry about that. Is it mooing? It sounded like it was mooing. It is mooing. These foxes are mooing. That one's just looking at me, destroying its friend. Hey bro, can I catch a breather for a second? Thanks. I really need to heal. Yeah, wolf. Yeah, sorry about having to kill your friend. But like, y'all are NPCs and I'm not. I'm an actual character. So, I hope you can find it in your soon-to-be-dead heart to forgive me. I know you're level 11, but I still have way more power than you. Thanks. Yeah! Double claw! Bite! Super bite! Yep. This game is amazing. Yeah. Hi other wolves. Can I be a part of your pack? Hi. Are y'all trying to fight? What are y'all doing? What? What? Wait, what? What's that? What? I howled! What is mooing? Oh, it's a buffalo. Wait, I can't even get to it. Yeah! Bark! Double claw! Bark, 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 bark! There we go. I did nothing. This is bad! So very bad! Get away! Wolf pack for the rescue! You don't mess with the wolf pack! Wolf pack forever! Oh, that's a howl! What the okay, that spawns me back here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Everybody's howling. What do I do? I wonder if they see me. Ooh, is that a raccoon? Rocket! Yeah, bark, bark, bark. They all have nice little sounds too. That's amazing. Y'all saw nothing. Come back. I wanna nibble your neck. Please, come back. Please, come back. Quit running. Critical strike. Double claw. There we go. Okay, you were very much a pain in the butt-ta-ta-ta. Okay, so now let's go back over here. I want to go find more wolves to hang out with. Hello, puppy. Come back, puppy. Puppy. Okay, we're just going to go off on a puppy adventure. Oh, let's do it then. What's your name? Angel. Angel. No, wait. Wait, come back. I want to read your name. Angel. Angel! I'm coming. I'll back you up. And yeah! They all have that glitch where they like appear up in the air for a second. That's amazing. Okay. Ah, dang. The game's like getting really laggy all of a sudden. Anyone else under 13? No thanks. I'm good. Da da dee da dee da. Oh crap! Oh crap! Bye. Goodbye. I'm out of here. Yeah. Okay. Bye. I'm out of here. No. I'm a terrible wolf. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of this little episode or part thing. This game is really fun. Don't hesitate to go check it out in the description. It's really fun and entertaining. I'm a terrible wolf. But yeah, guys, so don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Not just this game, but, you know, other things like my Twitter. Because that's cool. Yeah. But anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this, don't forget to consider liking, subscribing, and maybe commenting, because I do enjoy comments. And yeah, so guys, I'm PZ Animator, and I'll catch y'all later.